Time to take a warm bath. But how am I going to do that? What happened to my bathtub stopper? So as it turns out, unfortunately, I lost it. It used to resemble something like this. I don't even know where I put the bathtub strainer. But anyway, I'm glad I have a replacement finally. So let's go ahead and unbox this. It's a very simple tool. I'm going to walk you guys through it. Installation should be very simple. All right, I see that it has different seal sizes to choose from. Wow, this is a nice, handsome design. So first thing you will notice is this is the hair catcher, which is incorporated into the design. This has a solid weight to it. So the material is made of copper for the interior components, but for the surrounding drainage and hair catcher, it looks like it's made of stainless steel with a chrome finish, chrome plating finish. So here are the seals, which are removable. Here's a standard size one, and you have two different size fitting one. So note that you have to make sure that your drains are at least 1.5 inches to 2 inches in diameter for the hole, and have a depth that's greater or equal than 1 1/8 inches. So that's 1.125 inches. It's very easy to use. Press it to open it. If you want to bathtub with filled water, press it to close it. It's very simple like that. So let's go ahead and put it to good use. And for those of you who are interested in the manual, here are the installation steps. And here are the schematics of the sizing. Alright guys, time to see if it fits. Using the default washer, didn't change it out. It looks like it fits exactly without too much movement. So let's go ahead and fill up the tank. The bathtub. Look at that. Okay. Let's stop right there. Look at that. No leakage. See that? Alright, now I'm going to press the top to let the water out. Look at that. So let's say we're taking a shower. Now we don't have to worry about, the rain, jewelry falling into the bathtub hole, and it's collecting the hair right there. See? This is the perfect and a must-have to replace the normal stoppers, because that's an old design. Those can eventually break or corrode with age, and you eventually have to replace it. So this is the perfect universal, fits all, and you can collect hair. It's very easy to use. I highly recommend it. It's definitely one of the, I would call, revolutionary designs out there. So get yours today.